Hey guys, it's Dennis and Dodo, and today Dad got a mystery gift for the family.
So if you want to see what it is and check out the unboxing, please stay tuned.
So in here we have a Solo we have a Solo Stove tabletop fire pit. We have, I think it's the fuel for this. And then we have an accessory box. And then we have the fuel. And then these boxes.
All right, so Son's opening the Mesa now, and so this is something we'll use as a family. We love s'mores, and you can see that on our cooking and eating channel. However, the real surprise is in here. Hold on. Careful.
Wait, what?
So I decided to get this to celebrate us hitting 1,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, we just got to the unboxing now. So big thank you and shout out to the entire community. There's so much more to come, but this will give us a way to sit around, have conversations, have some s'mores, and talk about what to make next. Hope you enjoy. Leave us a comment below. Thanks a lot. We really appreciate you.